Hello again, it's Lock Noob, and I'm always looking for new locks to pick. I get through so many locks on my channel, and I was searching on Amazon, not a sponsor, and I saw this little AMIG padlock. And I know AMIG, they aren't a bad lock brand from Spain. They're not the best. They're not, I don't think, up there with something like Tessa, who are now owned by Assa Abloy, but don't hold that against them. But I knew the brand, and it was around £7-ish, and what's that? Just under $10 US, and I thought, well, why not? Especially because it isn't standard, it's not extra, it's premium, whatever that means. And it's a 50mm sort of brass padlock with a Yale style paracentric keyway. Looks pretty nice as well. So a brand I recognise, not a bad price. The bitting of the keys isn't too bad either. A little 2, 3, 4, 5 pinner, high, lows, high again. So yeah, not too bad I thought. So and also, it's got that nice little lozenge shape. It's just a little bit nicer in terms of finish, although it does have this like weird little mark on there, like it's been scraped or scratched, but hey, not too bad. So let's see if we can't pick this. So first up, we'll go in with some bottom of the keyway tension. We'll go in with actually I don't want a flat top, I'll go for a gem, and pin 5's already binding. 4's binding, a little click on 2 there. Oh, a tickle on 3, nothing on 1. I don't know why, and we're open. So that's a bit, I don't know, a bit disappointing, I'd say. It's double locking, but it's shimmerable. I couldn't feel any spool pins in there. I actually thought just then I was going to go into a full set, but it feels like all standard pins. So I don't know what premium means, but I don't think it means what you might think it means. So maybe for a cheap-ish beginner's lock, it's not too bad. It's made well, I'll give it that much. It doesn't feel cheap to pick or to hold, but it's not up there with like high security locks. It definitely isn't. You know, I couldn't feel any spool pins, no serrated pins, nothing. Just standard pins, 5-pin padlock. Not the worst quality ever in the world, but no challenge at all, really. So yeah, a bit disappointing, but again, you do get what you pay for, I guess. If you like this video, then please hit that like. If you think I deserve your subscription, then please subscribe, hit that notification bell. All really helps me out, and I really appreciate it. If you have any comments about this lock, maybe you have a better one than I do, maybe you got one with spools in, let me know down below. I do read all the comments and reply to as many as I can. Otherwise, stay safe, happy picking, and I will see you all next time.